Hi, in this lecture we will show player distance from dartboard in real time. Open a Dart controller script and create a new variable dartboard obj transform and is dartboard searched. It's a bool is equal to false. A float type variable distance from the dart, by default make it 0. And now at the end of update method, create a new condition and check is dartboard searched. To calculate the distance between dartboard and player, we will be using a vector3.distance method. And in the parameters, we are giving the dartboard position and the AR camera transform. That's basically our player. And in the second line, we are converting the distance into string and assigning that string to the text label. And in the dart init method, we are making is dartboard search is equal to true. Now our script side is ready. Now we need to add a text labels in the scene. Vector3.distance is a simple method that takes two parameters of vector3 like point A and point B and returns the distance between point A and B. In our game, we are passing the dartboard position in the first parameter, and in the second position we are giving the AR camera position. That is basically our device position. In real time, when we will move our device from the dartboard position, it will give us the distance in real time. To add a text, go to game object, UI, text mesh pro, and here I am setting it up. This will be our distance label. We will be setting it up at the bottom left corner. And next we will be adding another label to show the distance from dartboard and the player. And after setting them, we will assign these to the dart controller. And now from the hierarchy view, assign the distance value label to the dart controller in the field of text underscore distance. Now let's create a build and let's see how distance is working. It will start the calculating distance as the dartboard is available. As we will move near the dartboard, distance will decrease, and going back, it will increase the distance. I am hoping you are developing the same project alongside me, and so far you have done a great job. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next lecture.